Look up, Carrito. Alright, guys. Guess where we're at? We are at Toretto's. It's Toretto's, but it's called Bob's Food Market now.
We came to the fashion parade.
Let's go check it out. What you put in that sandwich?
Very fun.
We'll be like, you can see downtown all right there. There's Toretto's. Is it how you imagined it in person?
No.
Me neither. Check out the bodywork, it's all carbon. Hello, welcome to my hotel room tour. We have one bed, two lamps, one for me, one for my sister. My arm looks long. Oh, show you the restroom. Looks simple. It's me. It's a walk-in shower with no door. Oh, we have no door. Oh no, it's this. My bed. This is oh, it's a mirror. TV. And then we have robes and slippers. We have all these treats. And you can look outside the window. You can open it actually. I have a little rose that's actually real. Bye.